Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU M8c, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, to simply enable it, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel and you will find it right here, this moon icon with a DND underneath. So just tap on it and that enables the Do Not Disturb mode. Now if you want to set it up, you can actually hold it and it will take you to the settings, from where you can set up a schedule. So you can see schedule off, you would want to enable that or add a new one. When you're enabling, there is a default one that always comes, and it's like the sleeping one. So it's entire week, so from 11 till 7. So you can either modify that one or add a new one depending on how you like it. I'm just gonna modify this one. So you tap on it, and there's a couple things. Number one, you have the start and end time, and then the days of the week that you wanted to repeat in. So I'm gonna change this to a work Do Not Disturb mode, so from 9 to 5 and only weekdays. So let's start time. So I want it from 9, okay, till 5. So there we go, till 5 and only weekdays. So there we go, Monday to Friday. And then tap on save, and that's ready. So you can now go back, and you have a couple other things like DND levels. So right here, this will allow you to customize how it works. You have allow priority only. This is the only option that allows customization, and then allow alarm only, well, it's just the alarm, and allow nothing is dead silent. So we're gonna keep it on priority only, which gives us the customization. So there we go, customize priority. And when you scroll down, you have number one, SMS and calls. They should both have the same option. So when you tap on them, you have anyone, contacts, allow stared contacts only. Stared contacts are basically your favorite contacts. So you can see, it looks like there's actually more. You also have like whitelist contacts, not really sure what that is. But as also you can see that there is anyone, no one, and stared contacts and contacts. So you can choose whichever one suits you for either one of them. Then you also have this nice feature right here. So if the same caller calls you within 5 minutes, they will actually be able to reach you the second time, no matter what the settings are here. So even if you would have said that no one can call you, if that person calls you twice within 5 minutes, they will actually the second time be able to reach you. So I would call this kind of like an emergency situation thing. So if someone really needs to get hold of you, they'll usually call multiple times till you pick up. They'll basically spam, and this will allow them to actually be able to reach you if you have Do Not Disturb mode enabled. And from there, so okay, there's a whitelist contacts. So I guess if we also check the whitelisting, we'll be able to add contacts to the whitelist. Okay, so that's how this option works. So you can specify each contact that you wish to add, and then those contacts only will be able to reach you. And that will basically finish the customization of priority settings. So now whatever it's set in this priority will be then used by the schedule, considering, and here we have used, actually where was it? Let me go back to right, was it, there we go. So Do Not Disturb mode level, and so it was right here. So as long as you have set priority only, then the device will use all the settings that we have set right here for the Do Not Disturb mode. If you choose anything else, the settings right here will be completely disregarded, and alarm will only allow the alarm, and nothing will, like I said, be completely dead silent, no matter what's set down here. Okay, so this will basically finish up the setup of Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.